So I think that was an excellent decision made by me and my husband basically. And we are very proud of this school. This school gave us a lot of confidence, and inshallah in future it will provide us a lot of opportunities as well. I am very contented. मुझे कोई second thought कभी भी नहीं आई. Or I will definitely recommend the people who are concerned about the future of the children, personal grooming, confidence level. These all things come under one roof in Shoaib Faat. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Dr. Sadia Rafiq and I am mother of Halima Saadia from Gate 8th. My relationship with the International School of Shoaib Faat is more than 10 years, and it has been an amazing experience regarding teachers, students, studies, SLO, school environment. Last but not the least, the maintenance of the excellent cleanliness in the school and practicing preventive measures. I have one daughter, Halima Saadia. When she was 2.5 years, I started searching for schools. I've been to different schools in our area, in Lahore specifically, near Johor town, Wabda town. I went to multiple schools. Magar unfortunately, मैं जिस स्कूल में जाती थी, they did not allow me to go inside. बच्चों के premises में जाने की इजाज़त नहीं थी. So it was a point in my mind कि जहाँ पेरेंट्स को जाने के लिए अलाउ नहीं किया जा रहा, वहाँ बच्चे को कैसे ट्रीट करेंगे. तो that was something जो मुझे हर्ट करता था. So I was one day going through it. मैं स्कूल के सामने शोएब फात के गुजरी तो I decided to go inside. As I moved, the attitude of the faculty was amazing. They welcomed me so warmly, and they said before talking about anything, they said have a visit of our school. And I've been to literally to every classroom, library, canteen, even washrooms, and such a pretty washrooms for KG, small commodes and small sinks, and that was amazing. And you can say that was a turning point when I decided to have my daughter over here. Then I registered my daughter in Shoaib Faat when she was 3+. Then they gave me complimentary 3 months playgroup session, June, July and August. And that was an amazing experience. I did not even teach my daughter to how to write. The teachers were there to guide her. They taught her how to color. But I was totally free of care. Then एक objection थी when she moved in KG1, the timings are very long, like 7:45 to 2:15, very long timings. The other schools were like 11 o'clock off हो जाता है. But honestly, they gave 2 breaks, one long break, one small break, and my daughter never said कि I'm tired and it's 2:15. So the time passed away, she learning, she achieved all the milestones according to her age. Now mashallah she is in grade 8 in secondary school. And I fully gave credit to all those teachers who worked so hard on her, who taught her everything, and she is alhamdulillah going excellent. आम बच्चों में बैठती है उसका नॉलेज लेवल ज़्यादा है because they had syllabus as different subjects. आम स्कूलों में वो सब्जेक्ट नहीं है. उनका पढ़ाना और है, उनकी ग्रूमिंग और है, होराइजन बच्चे का डेवलप करते हैं. So I think that was an excellent decision made by me and my husband basically. And we are very proud of this school. This school gave us a lot of confidence, and inshallah in future it will provide us a lot of opportunities as well. I am very contented. मुझे कोई second thought कभी भी नहीं आई. Or I will definitely recommend the people who are concerned about the future of the children, personal grooming, confidence level. These all things come under one roof in Shoaib Faat. Thank you so much.